So it's important to be able to visualize multiplication of fractions and make sure we have a model to do that, either the area model or the fraction of a fraction model. But we do want to be able to do this with a rule. Okay, we want to be very efficient with this, and we want to use a rule of top times top, bottom times bottom. Okay, so we're going to use everything that's on top is a multiplication. So if we have times, it goes onto the numerator. And then the denominators all divide, and we can combine the divides on the bottom with multiplication. So it's top times top, bottom times bottom. So when we have this fraction here, okay, so we have 5/6 times 8/3. Really the top is a multiplication, the bottom is division, so we're just going to group them all together, okay, with top times top. Okay, so I get 5 times 8, which is 40. And on the bottom, I'm going to have 6 times 3, which is 18. And that simplifies to this common factor of 2. So 20/9 is a simplified fraction. Now, it is okay. I would like you guys to recognize that there are common factors. So the common factor of 2 here and 2 here can be canceled beforehand. So whenever we see this, we just need to know that we can times all the tops, all the bottoms. So really, since fractions are times and divide, this is all just one big fraction. And if we can see the common factors, we can actually write them out. So here's going to be 2 times 10, which is I'm going to break up into 5 times 2, because I see the common factor of 5 on the bottom. Here I'm going to break up the 6 into 2 times 3, because I see a common factor of 3 here. Okay, so then I have my 5 here. Oh, I've got another factor of 5 down here. This is a factor of 3, and the 25 is a 5 times 5. Okay, so anything on the top is a times, anything on the bottom is a divide, so I can cancel those. I can cancel one of those with one of those. Now I can't, since this times cancel with that divide, there's no more times 5, so these ones are left. So I have 2 times 2 on top, 5 times 5 left on bottom. And that's the simplified fraction. Now that's a little bit easier, I think, than to go 2 times 10 times 6, which is 120, over 5 times 3 times 25. Well, that's going to be, well, that's kind of hard to do, but that's going to be, well, what is that? That's going to be 375, I think it is. Okay, 375. And then use our common factor of divide by 15. Okay, to simplify that fraction. Okay, so that could be one way to do it. Okay, so I think that's actually divide by, sorry, this is not divide by 15, because that's going to be 8. Okay, so that's going to be divide by 15 to give us 8 here.